What's up? It's Alex Nicoletti. I'm gonna be taking some hockey shots. Okay, let's go. Hold on. Okay, I got it. Getting outside, take some hockey shots. Wrong shoe. I got the crappiest stick ever. It's a Bauer 125, which it is represented by Patrick Kane, but all the Bauer 125s and 195s are. Patrick Kane is awesome. So, there's a bird. Hey, birdie. But, take some shots with this. There we go. That's okay. Now, first shot that I'm gonna use is I get warmed up with this. I like to call it my curl shot. But you lift the puck up just like you're lifting a Spinorama, which would be like this. Well, you're kind of doing that, except you're rolling your wrist and lifting it up by the crossbar. It'll be fine. Here we go. Just rolling it up. Getting it up. As soon as that beat lands, I'm gonna smash it. Yeah, you heard me. See how I'm rolling my wrist? That's what you're supposed to do. Here's my wrist shot, which clocks. I don't know what it clocks. It's pretty fast on ice, which I don't play ice hockey, but I went to a hockey birthday party last week and had fun towards the goals. Oh, that beat is right above me. This is a slap shot. Oh, I broke my net. There's a wrist shot. That one got pretty high. Another little shot. I'm pretty on fire. Like, not really, but I can do better. Freaking bee by the door. Oh, there goes another one. Next. There's another one. See if I can get that bee, which is getting pretty mad. So I'm allergic to bees. That's what the doctor said. I've got sunburn before, and I just got swollen stuff. I haven't got any serious things happen to me. Oh, there's a hornet. So I'm gonna go inside. That's it.